This is the IP weightage is 8 marks, JE weightage 2 into 4. That means 2 questions give the final exam. NEET also 8 marks. Nana. It is a very most important chapter in the secondary. Present, I discuss first wave. For example, I take this is the water lake. This is the stone. Here, Nana, stone. For example, stone Nana dropped. Stone dropped on the surface of water. Ripples can be observed on the surface of water. So again, I repeat Nana. A stone dropped on the surface of water. A ripples is observed on the surface of water. Simply call as stone to water మీద ఏం క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం డిస్టర్బెన్స్ సంథింగ్ వేవ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద disturbance created on the surface. Once again repeat, what is the wave nana? Wave is disturbance on the surface of water. Wave is nothing but the disturbance created in the medium. Disturbance created in the medium nana. In the medium. Here look here. Wave is nothing but the disturbance created in the medium. Okay. Next again nana, this is the person nana. Person to communicate to other person by using of noise. Noise is nothing but the sound nana. Here sound propagated one place to other place nana. Sound propagated one place to other place nana. Here sound transfer from here to here nana without transport of air. That means here no transfer of matter nana. Air is nothing but the medium is nothing but the substance is nothing but the matter. Here only sound can be traveled here to here nana. Sound is traveled in the form of waves. Here is a medium, that means in the air cannot be flow. That means simply call as sound is a form of energy. Here energy transferred from one place to other place, and again here no transport of medium, no transfer of matter. That means simply call as wave is disturbance created in the medium. Here which will be transfer? Energy transfer from one place to other place. Here no transfer of matter, nothing but the no transfer of air. Okay, these three are called wave. What is the wave? Wave is nothing but the disturbance created in the medium. And here energy transferred from one place to other place, and again here no transfer of matter. That means here sound propagated one place to other place without transfer of air. Air is nothing but the substance is nothing but the matter. That means here no transport of matter. Okay, but energy transferred from one place to other place. And again I discuss here sound transfer from one place to other place. Here medium must have contain two properties. First property is elasticity, and the second property is called as inertia. Okay, that means wave propagated from one place to other place between the medium must have contain two properties. One property is called elasticity, second property is called inertia. For example, this is the medium consists of particles nana. Here wave propagated from one place to other place. Wave is for best example sound. Sound is a form of energy nana. because of energy, first give this sound in this particle. Because of energy, this particle move and bombard with the neighboring particle and again restore. Again what nana? Restore. That means particle move and again restore. That means here without transport of the particle, but here wave transfer here to here. Again this particle move and again restore, but wave transfer from one place to other place without transport of the particle. Here initially particle move and again restore. This phenomena is called elasticity. Elasticity, best example is Mysore Bonda. Here Mysore Bonda is pulled and left to free. That means it will be restored. That means simply called as the body rubber. This is the rubber. Rubber is pulled outside, left to free, and automatically it will be restored. Restoring property is nothing but the elasticity. That means wave propagated from one place to other place. Medium must have two properties. One is elasticity, other one is inertia. Inertia is a property of a body which oppose the change of motion, and energy ichina this particle cannot move. ఒకవేళ మూవ్ అయినా దానికి ఏముంటుంది? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎలాస్టిసిటీ ఇట్ విల్ బి రీస్టోర్. That means wave propagated from one place to other place, the medium must have two properties. That is, one is elasticity, second one is inertia. What is the meaning of wave? Wave is nothing but the disturbance created in the medium, and again here transport of energy without transport of matter. Okay, based on medium. Once again I repeat, based on medium, waves are classified into two types. First one is mechanical wave. Once again I repeat, based on medium, waves are classified into two types. First one is mechanical wave. Second one is non-mechanical wave. Okay? Mechanical wave means other name is elastic wave. Okay? What is the mechanical wave? Here wave propagated from one place to other place with necessary of medium. And wave here to here propagate అవ్వాలి అంటే కంపల్సరీ ఏముండాలన్నా medium is necessary. Once again I repeat, the wave propagated from one place to other place with necessary of medium, that wave is called mechanical wave. And another, this also called as elastic wave. The best example is mechanical wave ki sound nana. Mechanical wave best example is sound nana, sound. And waves formed in the strings and waves formed in the springs. ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి అంటే the best examples of mechanical wave. A small general example I can explain. This is the moon nana. On the moon atmosphere, on the moon, two persons are there. One person something communicate to other nana. Communicate means మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ on the moon actually no atmosphere nana. No atmosphere means no medium. కాబట్టి sound అనేది cannot propagate from one person to other person. కాబట్టి నాన్న both are not communicate on the moon, because sound is a mechanical wave. That means this wave compulsory propagate అవ్వాలి అంటే necessary of medium is required. But on the moon there is no medium, there is no atmosphere. So here two persons cannot communicate on the moon. What is the mechanical wave best example? Sound. Sound propagate అవ్వాలంటే ఏముండాలి? Medium. On the moon there is no atmosphere, so that's why here two persons cannot communicate with each other on the moon. Okay. Next non-mechanical wave, other name is electromagnetic wave. Here electromagnetic wave. Non-mechanical wave means the wave propagated from one place to other place without necessary of medium. Without necessary of medium. The best example is sunlight. To reach the earth sun నుంచి ఎర్త్కి లైట్ వచ్చేటప్పుడు మధ్యలో సమ్ ప్లేస్ vacuum is there, అయినా కూడా లైట్ propagate. That means here the wave propagated from one place to other place without necessary of medium. That is called non-mechanical wave. The best example is light లైట్ అనేది ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి రీచ్ అవుతుంది? సన్ టు ఎర్త్, మధ్యలో ఏముంది? వాక్యూమ్. వాక్యూమ్ అంటే నో మీడియం. మీడియం లేకపోయినా ఇక్కడ లైట్ ప్రాపగేట్ అవుతుంది అంటే కంపల్సరీ లైట్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద వాట్ వేవ్ నాన్ మెకానికల్ వేవ్. సౌండ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద మెకానికల్ వేవ్. Based on the necessary of medium, waves are classified into two types. Mechanical wave. Mechanical wave means the wave propagated from one place to other place without necessary of medium. The wave propagated from one place to other place without necessary of the medium aithe electromagnetic wave, with necessary of medium aithe mechanical wave. Mechanical wave best example is sound. Electromagnetic wave best example is light. Okay, here these are two classification based on particle vibration. Once again I repeat based on particle vibration. Particle vibration waves are classified into two types based on particles. Particle vibration. Based on particle vibration, waves are classified into two types based on particle vibration. Waves are classified into two types. The first one is transverse wave. The second one is longitudinal wave. What is the meaning of transverse wave? I can explain in this example. I take a string one end is fixed support, one end is fixed other end it is moving vertically up and down here this is the string one end is fixed. Here this string moving up and down automatically to get the wave here. Look here wave propagating along x-axis. But here string moving up and down. Here string consists of particles string moving up and down. Here particle moving along y-axis. Here wave propagating along the x-axis. That means here wave propagation, particle vibration, wave propagation, particle vibration both are perpendicular. Here strings moving up and down. Strings inside consists of particles. That means particles moving along the y-axis wave propagating along the x-axis Okay, strings here look here. This is wave, this is the particle vibration, this is the wave propagation. Both are allowed. Particle vibration y-axis, wave propagation x-axis. That means both are perpendicular to each other. That wave is called transverse wave. What is the transverse wave? Wave propagation, particle vibration both are mutually perpendicular to each other. That wave is called transverse wave. Example the waves formed in the strings. The waves formed in the strings and these waves formed on the surface of water. Stone is dropped on the surface of water. ripples can be observed. That ripples are called as transverse wave. Stone padangale molecule of water moving downward, wave propagating in this direction. Both are particle vibration, wave propagation perpendicular. That wave is called transverse wave on the surface of water. Generally transverse wave formed in solids not formed in liquids and gases. Transverse wave only formed in, that means only travel in the solids not travel in the liquids and gases. And next this is the transverse wave look here. This is called one wave One wave is nothing but the one crust and one trough. Once again repeat this is called what? Crust. This is called trough. One crust plus one trough is nothing but the one wave One crust plus one trough is nothing but the one wave. Once again I repeat, one crust plus one trough is nothing but the one wave Here this is another wave look here. Okay, here this is crust, this is trough. The distance between two successive crusts is lambda. The distance between two successive troughs is lambda. Once again, the distance between two successive crusts అంటే పక్క పక్కన ఉన్న క్రస్ట్ మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత? లాంబ్డా. The distance between two successive crusts is lambda. The distance between two successive troughs మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత? లాంబ్డా. Okay? For example, phase difference between two successive crust. Phase అంటే in the physics angle look here the diagram. ఇగో ఈ క్రస్ట్ కి మధ్య యాంగిల్ అడిగాడు నాకు మ్యాథ్స్ లో. ఈ టోటల్ యాంగిల్ ఎంత? 180. అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత? 90. ఇదెంత? 180. ఇదెంత? 90. 90 plus 90 180 plus 180 మొత్తం ఎంత? 360 right as 2 pi. Simply phase difference between two successive crusts ఎంత? 2 pi. Phase difference between two successive trough కూడా ఎంత? 2 pi. మరి phase difference between successive crust and trough ఇదిగో ఈ క్రస్ట్ కి ఈ ట్రఫ్ కి మధ్య యాంగిల్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత? 90 ప్లస్ 90 ఎంత? 180. ఇది పై. అంతగా అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? ఫేజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ సక్సెసివ్ క్రష్ టూ సక్సెసివ్ ట్రఫ్ 2 పై. ఫేజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ సక్సెసివ్ క్రస్ట్ అండ్ ట్రఫ్ అంటే ఎంత? 180. ఓకే నానా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ట్రాన్స్వర్స్ వేవ్ నానా? పార్టికల్ వైబ్రేషన్, wave propagation perpendicular, that wave is called transverse wave. Generally transverse wave formed in the fringes and on the surface of water. Generally it travel in the solids only. It cannot be travel in the liquids and gases too. But the phase difference between two successive crusts enta 2 pi. The phase difference between two successive trough enta 2 pi. Phase difference between successive crust and trough enta pi. The distance between two successive crusts enta lambda. The distance between two successive troughs enta lambda. Over the distance between crust and trough enta lambda by 2. Next based on particle vibration, next wave is called longitudinal wave. Next wave longitudinal wave look here. Longitudinal wave means for example, look here I take a spring this is the spring one end is fixed the spring is pushed in this direction here. Pushed in this direction, particles moving in this direction okay. After some time this spring is be here. This is called all are nearer each other, links are nearer each other. This is called compression. Here links are farther. This is called rarefaction. Here links are nearer, compression, rarefaction. This is called wave nana. Here wave propagated along positive x-axis. Particle are compressed also positive x direction. Both are parallel. That means particle vibration. Here the spring is pushed in this direction. Particle pushing in this direction. Wave propagation also in this direction. That means both are parallel. Particle vibration, wave propagation, both are parallel. That wave is called longitudinal wave. Generally, these waves are formed in the springs. Springs. Okay. Here, this is the compression. Madhyalo emuntadi rarefaction. This can be observed generally also. Your Reynolds pen, spring pens also available. One spring can be taken, one end fixed, other end push. In this diagram will be available. Here compression, rarefaction, compression, rarefaction. Here the distance between two successive compressions is lambda. The distance between two successive rarefactions is lambda. The distance between compression and rarefaction is lambda by 2. And again, the phase difference between two successive compressions is 2 pi. The phase difference between two successive rarefactions also 2 pi. The phase difference between compression and rarefaction is pi. Generally, these are formed in the springs. The best example, longitudinal wave, best example is sound. Here generally this is the one person spoke. Here it is the another person. Sound propagated in the form of compressions and rarefactions. Compressions and rarefactions. Here compress, rarefact and air particles moves away. Here medium, this is the medium. The person sound propagated here to here because of nearer ga ఉన్న కాడ more speed తో వస్తుంది air కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ air compress అవుతుందన్న నెక్స్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది rarefaction, compression, rarefaction. This wave is called what? Longitudinal wave. That means sound is nothing but the longitudinal wave. Sound is nothing but the longitudinal wave. Sound propagated in the solids, solid medium, liquid medium and gas medium. That means longitudinal waves propagated in solids, liquids and gases. But transverse wave propagated only in solids on the surface of water. Okay. This is the longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave contains compressions to rarefactions. Transverse wave contains crust to trough. Okay, the distance between two successive crusts lambda. The distance between two successive compressions also lambda. Okay, in this video only I discuss basics. Tomorrow I discuss displacement equation of the progressive wave and definitions of some frequency, wavelength, time period, energy. Some basic definitions I can explain tomorrow. This basic video can see today only. Okay.